The fairy bard of Avalon rises from her mossy bed. She doesn't need thrones or gowns, for she has nature instead. The fairy bard of Avalon watches from this isle's light tower. She sees misrule in Babylon in the final hour. The fairy bard of Avalon has lanterns to guide her way, to illuminate her heart's path, so she cannot stray. The fairy bard of Avalon loves dusk and early dawn. She dances with the green man and Pan at early morn. The fairy bard of Avalon whispers words of healing, prophecy, truth. She holds them close to her fair breast, of goodness and of youth. The fairy bard of Avalon lives on hill, valley and bower. She guards Avalon's secrets like a bud within a flower. The fairy bard of Avalon uses ink, parchment and quill, captivating and enchanting others, whilst she herself sits still. The fairy bard of Avalon keeps mysteries bejewelled and bright. You can hear them twinkling deep within the quiet of night. The fairy bard of Avalon tells stories ancient and old, of knights and kings and maidens fair, so daring and so bold. The fairy bard of Avalon, she may be passing by. You may just catch a glimpse of her in the blinking of an eye. The fairy bard of Avalon, she might be watching you, so keep her close inside your heart, so tender and so true.